duties and dudettes. Guys, got some sad news to tell you. If you're watching this video and you didn't see our birthday vlog, then that means I did not recover my SD. We went all the way to Parramatta. We vlogged every day. Tried to call bloody Gula apartment and they were pretty much useless, even though I know, guys, it was my fault. But get this, things happen, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys a package that we got from Not Your Average Candy. There you go, straight right now. A massive shout out to Nyak team, Nyak, Not Your Average Candy team. They sent us this package for a collab. We appreciate you. We got a Lee Hing Mui shaker. And we got this candy packet, which has already been infused with the Lee Hing Mui, which me and Laura are going to try for the first time. Psych, we already opened it and tried, but you know, we're gonna try it on camera for you. Watermelons. Laura, come try it. Wow, the watermelon's really nice. They can't see you. Wow. The one that I know I'll definitely love, the peaches one. There's only 3 kinds here. Guys. I just love the powder so much. Like, I could literally shake this in my mouth. But thank you so much for thinking of us. Which I can't get open, but I already tried them and they're really nice. It's only 5. Oh, it's 7:10. Bruh, what's wrong with our clock? I thought so. It's got the wrong time. I think the battery finished. Can you keep it on the down low? New South Wales, got to go. Just made Aussie some food. And what a beautiful night. What's a nice bluey coaty, blue ice blue night. Let me even change LED to a blue light. If you keep it on the down low, nice and bluey. Guys, if you're a Queensland supporter, you better not have just skipped me off right now. Okay, it's just a game. We still got Decider. Psych! But guys, heading out to the gym now. I signed up to the gym. So actually, I had a membership for 10 years, guys. 10 years, and I don't know why I feel like this time's gonna be different, because I never went when I had my other membership. Now I signed up again to a different gym. It's much cheaper. I was going to a women's only before. Now I'm going to Aussie's gym. And I'm a bit nervy, but I'm only gonna do 30 minutes of a workout and then I'll wait for Aussie in the car or something. So yeah, you going?
I'll go tomorrow.
Oh, she's gonna go tomorrow then. And also guys, look at my new desk setup. I'm so excited. So I bought this desk stand, monitor stand from Amazon, and it was so easy to put together, but it just elevated my whole working from home setup. I also got those 27-inch monitors, so they're actually really big. Morning guys, it is 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been awake since like 4:30ish. I just got home from dropping Laura to work, but guys, I could not sleep last night because I took a pre-workout last night at the gym. It literally kept me up all night. I could barely sleep the 4 hours that I did. I feel physically tired, but my mind is still like racing, which is causing me to not go to sleep, but I'm happy about it anyways because I've got so much to do today. I really want to make it to my nephew Amaziah's game, which is at 9, so I'm going to quickly tidy the house. Most of it's pretty tidy. I mean, I keep my house very nice and clean. Maybe get on the other two's nerves because I am a cranky person when the house is messy. So I'm going to quickly tidy up the house and then head to Zaya's game. I also need to go farmer's market. So this couch looks a bit messy. I have to organize it, take the washing out. and put another load on. So last night I told Laura to strip her bed sheets, and I did mine too. Fresh bed sheets. Also got to put the dishes away. Let me take this outside actually. I also need to, I don't know how to say it in English, but like kaka these because they've got dust all on them. Fit check. Oh my gosh, why are my cheeks so red? Why are my cheeks so red? Just got home not long ago. I didn't actually get any footage of Zaya's game, but Molly dropped me off. Actually, after the game, I went to the markets with my dad, which was quite nice. It was just him and I, and we walked around, got a few things. I also bought some green mango. I gave one to my mum. But you know what's up, guys. I'm going to be doing simoy. So I'm going to peel this quickly. I've already peeled this one, so I'm going to cut it up and try it.
No, what would?
Evil. I don't know how to cut this. Oh my gosh. Bro.
How?
But this is so small. Oh, it's in the microwave. Trying out the simoy. Shaker from Not Your Average Candy. It's been a couple of days since the last clip, and I felt really deflated for a long time. I still kind of do since losing the SD, because those were some really awesome memories that we had and we just can't get it back. I am still so hopeful, still expecting that it's just going to turn up somewhere. I had coffee with my sisters, and then this little stink ass wanted to come home with me. Hey, Wen. What? Oh, okay. Bear just wants to go and jump and play with her, but I'm being very, very strict with him. Morning, guys. Another day. I was going to say another day, another dollar, but I'm not working. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it is, but my face just can't get out of these morning looks, guys. Like, I need to go moisturize because it feels a bit tight. But Aussie and I are about to go for a walk. We woke up at like 7. We've been awake since because Laura started work at 7. So I said to him, let's go and take Bear for a walk. And then we've got a local cafe down the road. And we're going to go and have breakfast there. We've never been there. We don't usually go to local cafes. We always go to our spot at Enjoy. But I really want to take Bear for a walk because we've been so busy. Like, I've been busy. He's been busy. When we come home from work, it's dark. So poor little baby doesn't get a walk. And it's a weekend, so we have the time for it. He's over here. Bear, you want to go for a walk? Let's go. He's really excited. He knows what walk means. I don't know what's on the agenda today because it's school holidays and none of my nephews have rugby games at the moment, so I don't know what to do with myself when that happens. But it's nice when you have a free day. Maybe me and Georgie boy might spend some quality time together. It's been a while, hasn't it, Georgie boy? It's been a while. Some mummy daddy time. Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys real soon. La Esiaki.
La Esiaki.
Aussie and I just got back from shopping. We had breakfast at Dobinson's, and then we went for a little bit of a stroll through Kmart and Big W, which is so dangerous sometimes, especially if you don't have anything to buy in mind and then you walk out with like $100 worth. But I'm so excited because I don't know, I'm trying to get into this Lego stuff. I saw it in my doctor's office. She actually had the Kmart versions of this. He had it in a vase, so I'm trying to do the same as well and take it to my work office. I couldn't find, I'll show you which one I wanted. The peony one, hold on. I wanted the peony one, but they did not have it. So I got the rose one instead, the Lego version of the peony kind of flowers. And then I also got there. So I think this is like a group task, to be honest. Because how am I supposed to... Oh my... Jeez. I feel like giving up already. I've changed my mind. I'm going to start with the flower first. Because I had no idea that this is the level of difficulty this one is. And I'm just a beginner. Like, what do you want from me? This level of difficulty is 1 star. So that's what we should start with, just to try and get the hang of things. So it's been about 30 minutes and it was pretty simple. The box was not lying. Ah! This is so cool. I love it. Amazing. So I can't wait to do the peony ones. How pretty is this? I wish it was like a straight vase so that it could stand straight. Guys, the flower ones were so easy. I finished them about 3 of them in about 20 minutes. They were so easy. So if you guys wanted to ever try, like, this is such a great office ornament or an office decor, as in on your desk. Red one was from Kmart and I like the details from the Kmart one. It has a leaf and a thorn. I love it. I absolutely love it so much. It's just those small things that make you so happy. So I'm about to clean up. Aussie's at the gym at the moment. I think I've said that. Clean up the house a bit and then I'm gonna have a rest because I'm feeling a bit crampy, if you know what I mean. Oh my gosh, it's lighting. This lighting though. Can I just appreciate myself right now? Oh, it smells beautiful. Oh. So Laura's getting stuck into the bulldog one. I thought it would be like a great family activity anyways. So to share and stuff like that. But yeah, Aussie doesn't want to do it. He's watching rugby. We're still going here. It's been like 4 hours and it's good. This pile is getting smaller. This is getting bigger. Well done, Sarah. I've also ordered us some dinner because we couldn't be bothered going out. So it's just one of those nights in, doing some Lego and watching rugby and having dinner in. So that's pretty good. Can you complain? What more could you want? Sounds like a pretty good night to me.
Natty boy is hungry and very smelly. Oh, there's nice food inside the backyard.
Guys, we ordered don't mind the background music. We ordered Southern Soul. This is our first time trying Southern Soul. I ordered a couple of things. Hopefully it's nice. Oh, so do the sauces just come? Oh my gosh, how stupid of me. They're all literally the same chickens. They just give you different sauces. Oh, beautiful. Guys, so this is what we're rocking with. Rock and roll in our mouth. So we got... Hey you guys, good afternoon. I was about to say good morning, but it's not morning. It's actually afternoon. I just finished, just got home from church and Aussie and I are about to head out for lunch. We're thinking of going to Belconnen Mall because I got to pick up his dress gown. I bought him a dressing gown from Big W, but it was too short and too small. So I'm getting one from Target. I love this lighting right now. Got baby boy over there. It's a pretty dull day right now.
So yeah, Sunday, we'll just get ready for the day, you know. She just finished the church, but I was not feeling well today, so yeah.
Guys, I'm just about to go for my walk. I just wanted to wish everybody a happy weekend. It's Friday today. And I'm so glad it's Friday. I've had such a busy week at work. But it's an even better day for me today because Beatrice, my slave, is helping me clean the house. I know the last video I said something like, I probably still wouldn't, but she has been such a great help to me. Mopping especially. The vacuuming, I have a Dyson, so I can do that very quickly. But the mopping is something I hate. And because I've mapped out my house, I can tell Beatrice to only do this room, this room, this room, this room, which are all tiles. And she vacuums and mops all at the same time. So she's vacuuming while she's mopping. I just moved the chairs out so she could have a clear space. But it's been great. And I'm winning. I got Bear used to it. He's even just sleeping while Beatrice is at work, and he never used to be able to do that because anytime he would see her, he would start barking and carrying on. He was scared of it, trying to attack Beatrice, but I just kept giving him treats while she was doing her thing, and now he's none the wiser. So yes, I'm about to go off for my walk. I'm having all the Sacks come over to, this weekend for the night. Having a little boy slumber at mine. All my nephews are coming over. So I'm a bit worried. I don't know if I've bitten more than I can chew, but they'll be fine. They're at a good age where they'll actually listen. I've got little Lesser coming over. This will be his first time sleeping over. But I plan to just hang out with them, do some fun things, maybe go to the park, play some cards, take them to maybe iPlay or to the movies, one or the other, or bowling. I haven't decided. But I just wanted to do something, just a little something for them while they're on school holidays. And yeah. Also, I've had this packet from Costco for like a couple of months now, maybe 6 months, maybe more actually. I got it just at the end of last year. And I'm thinking if I should chuck in my lihing mui. So I don't know if I'm meant to put any like water in there to make it stick. I'm using my shaker from Nyak. Okay, I'm going for my walk now. If I have enough time, I might stop by Aldi's and get some wipes and stuff to clean the toilet and my bathroom. And yeah. Guys, Laura and I are getting stuck into dinner. And all the ball sacks over here. This house is so noisy. Everyone's excited. They're all on a high and going crazy. I am doing one. Say hi, Mona, because when you watch and you comment, you can see yourself.
Hi.
Yeah. Say hi, future Mona. So this little ball sack here, this is his first time. And he's so mimico right now. Mostly boys and all. Mostly boys and only 2 girls here. No, that's alright, because they go so... because then they go so bala if it's too small.
What's it? Is it mango?
Yeah.
I don't think that is like enough inside.
Oh yeah, because they're stuck together. What about that one? Show me that piece.
That one.
Wait, okay. Okay, Laura's gonna try it. Come try it too, Zaya. I don't reckon you'll like it.
What do you mean?
Is it nice?
What is it?
Do you taste the
Yeah.
What is this?
a little
Not
bit?
enough. You have to put more.
What is it?
Okay.
Mango.
It's mango with oh, you didn't get one with the thing on it.
No. What do you mean?
Just take a bite. Wipe your hands. You got the powder on your hands.
You put powder in there?
Does it taste nice?
Uncle, it's the
Does it actually? So you like the Lola Singer powder?
What's that?
Chinese powder.
Should put more. Put more.
It makes me
Okay, hold on.
wheeze.
No, there's nothing else.
Get it?
Oh my god!
That
That looks good. That looks
Can you
good.
taste it or do you need more?
It looks like bacon.
You can, but
Yeah, it
you need to
does.
dry it out. Because now it's like butter with water.
Oh yeah.
Here, let me give you a piece.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah. It's nice, eh? Take a bite, because you might not like the whole thing. Go.
Yeah, you will like the whole thing.
You like
Eat
it?
it.
Don't touch it. It makes your hands red.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe he likes it. I'm making falai mokengi. I should have showed you the meat just before I poured it in, but it was perfect. Like, falling off the bone kind of perfect.
How do you spell
Boys are having dinner.
spell empty?
Well, these aren't theirs. We just got back from shopping.
Uncle Aussie, how do you spell empty in 2 letters?
MT.
How you spell?
Queso.
Hey, so?
What?
What's the definition?
Alright.
Do you know this one?
You guys can share 2 cups. Finally, guys, some peace and quiet.
Do you know Joey?
Oh my gosh, they've been shouting the house down this whole time. Having their little snacks and watching Inside Out 1.
Papa, she's good. We're good. It's all good.
Kitchen's clean. Well, these are just snacks, but guys, I am so tired. Do you hear this? This is what I heard at 6 o'clock this morning. I went to sleep at 12 because that's the time they went to sleep. And if I didn't get up and start screaming at them, they probably would have went to sleep at 5:59 and then gotten up at 6.
What is it? How dirty are you?
Bro. Anyways, it's memories. It's memories.